Strengthen your shoulders and sculpt your arms with this 5-minute bar workout. Follow these exercises for 5 minutes, 5 days a week, and feel the difference. Ready? Let's go.
So today we will start with those feet nice and wide. We want to give ourselves a nice wide base, and we won't need our weights right away. Keep them where you can access them easily. I'm going to put a little soft bend in the knee and give myself a little tiny tuck of the pubic bone here so I can maintain a neutral pelvis. I'm going to float my arms out to the side and think about trying to keep your fingertips in your peripheral vision. So you should be able to wiggle your fingers and still see them. So from here, we're going to set those shoulders, draw those collarbones nice and wide, float those fingertips out to the side, and start with little tiny circles forward. As you're working your circles, think about keeping your collarbones nice and wide. We don't want the shoulders to creep up to the ears and create a lot of tension in that head and neck. So just keep that gaze forward, nice tall pretty posture, and keep circling those arms. Finding a little reach here in the middle finger. Make sure you can still see those fingertips in your peripheral vision, and reverse your circles. And you're drawing circles about the size of a grapefruit, not too big. Keep those arms nice and long with a soft bend in the elbow. Continuing your circles for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, turn the palms forward, and we're simply going to pulse back and forth. So you think about as though you're trying to tap the backs of the hands against a wall behind you. These are tiny. Think about stabilizing through your abdominals so your whole body doesn't move, and you're just stabilized. It's just a little tap. Now, if you begin to get tension in your shoulders, you can take those arms down just a little. If you're still finding a reach here through that middle finger, little pulses. Should be feeling a little warm now. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Flip the palms. Now the thumbs are facing down, and we're going to bring the arms to 45. Begin those little pulses back and forth. Arms now at 45. So you're tapping the palms on a wall behind you. Check in with those shoulders. Try and keep those shoulders tension free. And if you need to drop the arms and come right back into it, that is totally fine. Keep breathing and maintain that pretty posture. For 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it down. Give those shoulders a quick roll. Reach down and grab your weights. Now we're going to begin extending the arms out to the side. Coming out again where you can see those fingertips in your peripheral. We're going to reach and lower. If this causes you discomfort in the shoulders, you can bend and lift here. Or you can drop your weight. Continue to reach and lower. Lift and lower. 4, 3, 2, 1. Make sure those wrists are no higher than the shoulders. Tiny circles. Take it forward. Again, if you're getting a lot of tension, you can lower the arms slightly and reverse those circles. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those arms down. And now we're going to bring those feet closer together and find a little squat position. So you should keep the weight in your heels, hug those elbows into the rib cage, and we're going to extend the arms back, squeezing the triceps and bicep curl in. Take it back and finding that squeeze at the top here in the back of the arm, those triceps. Make sure those elbows are stationary and they're not coming in and out here. They should stay put. Squeezing here. For 4, 3, 2, hold on 1. Now we're going to flip the palms to the ceiling, to the floor, as though you're turning a doorknob. You're going to hold the arms back. Begin going a little faster here, turning your knobs. Collarbones stay wide. Abdominals engaged. Should feel pretty warm here now, got a little burn going. for 4, 3, 2, 1. Now turn the palms towards the ceiling. Keep those arms extended. Tiny pulses up. Pulse. Arms stay nice and long. Stabilize with your abdominals here so the rest of the body isn't moving with it. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down and go back. Float those arms out to the side. Out all the way to the end. Reach. Wrists stay below the shoulders. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower those weights. You can drop those to the floor. Give those shoulders a shake. Nice work. We'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas. Or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.